long before 1986 actually, junior reporter na ako from another station, Channel 13. So, yung EDSA Revolution, yung 1986, napaka-crucial nun Maraming masasabi natin nagkaroon ng political awakening. Dahil lalo na in my case, grabe yung first years, lalo na yung mga initial years ng Cory administration, I was one of those na naka-cover. Yung una niya mga out of the country, yung Indonesia at Singapore, nakita ko yung how she was received. Tapos yung sa US Congress, that was a proud moment for me as a Filipino. Proud ka kasi talagang yung bloodless revolution, nakita ng buong mundo na pwede palang mangyari. Pero ako, ang feeling ko kasi, through the years, parang we have not learned the past, yung mga lessons of the past. Ang pakiramdam ko nga, parang we've always, it's a choice of wrong leaders. Lagi tayong pumipili ng mga maling nanunungkulan sa bayan. Yung EDSA ngayon, masasabi natin ngayon, it will be, hopefully, iba na yung Gen Z at saka yung millennials. I hope that they will dominate the next election. Pumili na ho tayo ng mga tabang mga leader sa bayan. Let's do away with yung mga gantihan, yung mga cycle of gantihan. Let's make it a point na to help our country and also our people. Masyadong sadlak na ho ang kahirapan. Salamat po.